Limen Nature Broadcast, where every day at 6 p.m. we start a continuous exploration of the natural world. In tonight's transmission, we will focus on three species, form, and sound, reveal deeper structures in natural communication. Make sure to strap in and stay attentive as tonight's broadcast will be quite worthwhile. The gray wolf is known for its highly structured vocalizations. A single howl can travel across vast distances, maintaining clarity through repetition and harmonic layering. Wolves do not howl randomly. Their calls follow predictable intervals, often repeating in patterns that allow others to locate and respond. Visually, the wolf's features are optimized for focus, forward-facing eyes, fixed gaze, and minimal expression shift. This creates a constant impression of attention, even when still. The nightjar produces one of the most continuous vocal signals in the animal world. Its call, a repetitive, unbroken trill, can persist for several minutes without interruption. This sound lacks a clear background or end. Instead, it forms a looping auditory field, making it difficult to isolate a single point in time. The nightjar's appearance supports concealment. Muted colors, minimal contrast, and a still posture, it blends into its surroundings. Observers often report difficulty maintaining focus when exposed to both the bird and its call simultaneously. The lyrebird is capable of mimicking nearly any sound it encounters. Other birds, mechanical noise, even human activity. Its calls are not original but reconstructed. This creates sequences of familiar sounds placed in unfamiliar order. Visually, the lyrebird displays complex feather structures, particularly in its tails. These patterns are symmetrical, repeating, and highly detailed. When displayed, they form shapes that the human eye attempts to organize and interpret. This mismatch between recognition and structure has been shown to produce brief perceptual hesitation. Nature does not communicate randomly. It operates through repetition, variation, and response. Thank you, dear viewers, for your time today. Make sure to be here tomorrow at 6 p.m. for yet another dive in nature. See you soon. End of transmission.